here for Corbett Smith to do simulated repair. Claim number 2099B862S. Here we have the tab of shingles that we are replacing here. The shingles that are potential to get damaged during the process as well. If you want to do a quick overview, so you can see up close the current state. So no creases, no granule loss, nothing like that up here, just on these three here. These are all sharp. That, so you can see like how the nails are blasted through the shingles. Like that's not even connected to the shingle at all. Once again, same thing. Look, the nail is through the shingle. It's not even connecting this down anymore. A lot of these nails are literally hanging on for dear life, to the point where if we try to do a repair like this for multiple of them, it is going to cause an issue where the nails are going to have to be put in new holes, leaving openings all across the roof there. As you can see, we've got mismatching reveals on these. The difference between the 5-inch and the 5 5/8 inch here. The manufacturer will not allow us to cut the reveal. So let me go ahead and put this back in. As you can hear, the granules are rushing back down the roof. now, even from just doing that, you can hear all the granules, like even from a light touch, the granules are literally just walking themselves off the shingles there. It's just causing more damage. To replace these here, like I mean, these things are literally fucking super. But
so overall fail?
yeah, overall
Fail.
it fails. I'm writing on here granule loss across the tops here. You can see the creases starting to form back across these new shingles at the top, as well as down here. You could hear it during the repair as well. You've got a 5 5/8 inch reveal on the 3-tab here, a 5-inch reveal on the original. The manufacturer will not allow us to cut that reveal in order to match them, and that causes